Have you ever noticed yourself yawning repeatedly? Even when you are not tired. You yawn once, then again, and sometimes at the same time. You feel a burning sensation in your chest. Most people never connect these two things. Yawning and heartburn seem completely unrelated. But in some cases, they may be linked. Let's understand why. Acid reflux happens when stomach acid moves upward into the esophagus. Normally, a small valve between the stomach and the esophagus keeps acid from rising. But when this valve relaxes or pressure builds inside the stomach, acid can move upward. This can irritate the esophagus and sometimes even the throat. Now here is where yawning may enter the picture. Your digestive system and your breathing patterns are closely connected through the nervous system. One important nerve involved is called the vagus nerve. This nerve runs from the brain down through the chest and into the stomach. When acid reflux irritates areas along this pathway, it can sometimes trigger unusual body responses. Yawning is one of the body's reflexes. It often happens when the body tries to adjust breathing, relax muscles, or respond to changes in the nervous system. If reflux irritation stimulates the vagus nerve, some people may notice more frequent yawning. Another reason may be discomfort. When acid reflux creates pressure or irritation in the chest, people may unconsciously take deeper breaths. Yawning is one way the body naturally takes a deep breath. This can create the feeling of repeated yawning during reflux episodes. Some people notice the pattern especially after meals, or when lying down, or when heartburn symptoms are already starting. Now, it is important to remember that yawning can have many different causes. Fatigue, stress, lack of sleep, changes in breathing, or certain medications. But if frequent yawning appears together with symptoms like heartburn, sour taste, throat irritation, or burping, reflux may be part of the explanation. The reassuring part is that when reflux symptoms improve, unusual sensations often improve too. Small habits may help reduce reflux irritation. Eating lighter meals, avoiding lying down immediately after eating, and giving the stomach time to digest. If yawning becomes persistent, severe, or appears together with other concerning symptoms, it is always best to speak with a healthcare professional. Your body often sends subtle signals when something is irritating the digestive system. Understanding those signals can help you respond calmly and make helpful adjustments. If you would like to learn more about the surprising ways acid reflux can affect the body, explore the full heartburn playlist linked below. You may discover symptoms you never realized were connected.